first.
Topless or bottomless?
Topless.
Kaliwa or kanan?
Kaliwa, kanan.
Breakfast or dinner?
Breakfast.
Pizza or ice cream?
Pizza. Pizza.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Cool or hot?
Hot.
Dim sum or sushi? Dim sum or sushi?
Sushi.
Eating or sleeping?
Sleeping.
Snapchat or Instagram?
Instagram. 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 Ako Snapchat eh.
Beer or vodka?
Water. 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 Water.
Dota or League of Legends? Hello or goodbye?
Hello. 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 Sakit ang goodbye.
Ma-fall or pa-fall?
Ha?
Ma-fall or pa-fall? Gulot or straight?
Straight. Ano ba to?
Wherever, kahit saan. Walang pinky toe or walang big toe? Walang pinky toe or walang big toe? What's the best place, Pinto or Bintana? No battery or no load? Clash or Clans? Clash or Clans? Clash or Clans? Okay.